everyone, this is Jordan Marshall here at pureelliottwave.com. I wanted to give you a brief update on the euro over the past 2 weeks. I've been putting together these summary charts, which are much simpler, and every day, at the end of the day, we save a chart. We put our direction that we believe the market will go, along with a longer-term invalidation in a channel. We provide much more in-depth detail on our website at pureelliottwave.com, where you can subscribe for our analysis 5 times a week. And we also have a brand new gold analysis coming out 5 times a week starting next month. If you want to get on the email list to get a special promotional rate that will never be offered again, you can click on that link below right now. So let's get into the charts. Our first chart starts off on Tuesday, May 30th. And after we had this very clean, impulsive structure to the downside, I actually started calling for the bounce around this day. And what follows will be price action since that day. So we're expecting a bounce. This was our Elliott channel. We're expecting a bounce. I believe our target at this time was around 1.09 area. And we'll see what has happened since then. Alright, Wednesday, May 31st, you can see here our candlestick made some fresh new lows. However, it did have a bullish lower wick. Our outlook remained the same, expecting a bounce. Our target was around the 1.09 and our invalidation sat at 1.09629. Let's move on to Thursday, the 1st of June. You can see we have a large green candlestick, and my outlook is still the same. We're expecting more upward momentum. The channel has not yet been breached. We are calling the end of this movement, and I symbolize that by moving our invalidation from this up higher. So we believe that we're in the second wave now, and we're expecting a 3-wave structure upwards. Now we'll move on to Friday, June 2nd, and we have a bearish candlestick. Now this might frighten some traders, but we got our first leg up, symbolized by this extra squiggle added. So we had our first leg up. It did reject off this channel, and then I knew we'd have another leg down, followed by another leg up. For Monday, the 5th of June, we completed that candlestick with another bullish lower wick, and our outlook still remained the same, invalidation still above. Next day, Tuesday, the 6th of June, we had another bearish candlestick. However, my outlook remained the same. Elliott channel is still intact, and you can see a lot of bullish lower wicks. So we were pretty confident that more upwards momentum was going to unfold shortly. On Wednesday, the 7th of June, we had a volatile day that was characterized by a sharp spike up and then a sharp spike down. My outlook still remained the same. The Elliott channel had not yet been breached, but the probability was much higher that this was going to be a zigzag in the wave 2 position. Alright, so Thursday, the 8th of June, we got a large green candlestick, and you might say, oh, the move might be over here. Well, let's see what happened on the next day. I'm still expecting higher prices. Next day, Friday, June 9th, we had a medium bearish candlestick, but my outlook remains the same. And I kept it the same by looking at the technicals and the Elliott wave counts inside of here. I'm looking for an impulsive structure for wave C upwards. On the next day, Monday, the 12th of June, 2023, we had some indecision, and this candlestick actually entered the price territory of this candlestick, which was very significant for the wave count today, which is June 13th. I also saw in the news that the CPI numbers were coming out, and this wave count still had not had its third of a third wave upwards. So this morning, yesterday evening, I told our members CPI report is tomorrow, and the third of a third for this C wave has not yet unfolded. So tomorrow morning, I said it's very likely that we are going to have a volatile spike upwards. So I just did a quick chart this morning showing what happened. And Tuesday morning, the 13th of June, that is today, as recording this, you can see we had a large spike upwards, and I am still maintaining my bullish outlook. I don't believe this impulse is complete, so we will see what happens over the next week for our outlook. If you found this video helpful, if you'd like to subscribe to our Euro analysis, you can do that at pureelliottwave.com or our brand new gold analysis. It's going to be launched next month. Remember to click that link in the description below right now to be notified of our grandfather rate, only offered for 48 hours once the email goes out. I hope this video is helpful for you. Until next time, this has been Jordan Marshall at Pure Elliott Wave.